What's up guys, it's me or Geek. So here are the top 5 cases. The number 5th is from this Give Me a Simple Beautiful Rose case. You can't go wrong with it. And number 4. Number 4 is from the Techo, a simple honeycomb case. Honeycomb cases are quite grippy, so they are not very easy to slide off from your hand. And number 3 for the LG Astro 2, a simple case with a carbon fiber, not the real one, definitely the fake one, but it get the job done. And number 2, a simple beautiful case from the Idea line. Yes, a simple looking beautiful case from the Idea line. And number 1, yes, number 1, literally I'm talking about the number 1. So the number 1 case is from the Anki, a simple beautiful looking case. Look at the beauty of that. You can get in black color also. So it was me, Jimmy Geek. All of the cases links are in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and bye.